a painful day here in the crypto markets. Bitcoin flushing down over 5%. Many are panicking right now. I'm here traveling, but the message I've received most here today is, am I going to sell? Am I going to take risk off the table right now as Bitcoin looks set to break down from an important pattern? I'm going to break that down and a lot more. If you appreciate these type of updates, guys, even when I'm on the move here in the hotel room, but still bringing you guys updates. I've had a full long day of meeting, just finishing the gym, got more meetings after this, but it doesn't stop me from giving you guys the quick updates as and when it matters. As you can see, guys, I've been sharing with you guys this pattern, this very, very important bullish, ironically, continuation pattern. And I've been sharing this pattern ever since here, guys. Ever since this point here, I share, guys, if this pattern breaks to the downside, this is worrying. When we got rejected here with this doji candle, I said, guys, this doesn't look good. Now we're testing the bottom. Very, very important. This does not guarantee we are going to flush down just yet. Please pay attention, guys. It's very, very important. Seeing a lot of people call for lower prices. And yes, I've added my voice to that. I see support coming in here at 50,000. And I'm ready for a pullback to 50,000. I've shared that with you guys over the last couple of days. But this pattern hasn't broken down just yet. I've seen this so many times where everybody expects it to fall, and then it'll move to the upside. Now, in this video, I will break down both scenarios. I'll make sure we're prepared, and that way you guys know what to do. If you want to trade with me, ijazcrypto.com/TG. Don't take this alone. I've been trading for over 12 years, and I still struggle at times, right? I still hit stop losses. I'm normal. I'm human. I'm not superhuman. I don't predict the markets. I trade the markets. I manage my risk. If you want to learn how to do so, jump into our Telegram community. So as you can see here, this pattern is now testing the bottom trend line. Very, very important that if the bulls want to hold this level, they respond. They respond today. This daily candle closes in 5 hours. They either respond today by pushing this candle back up, or tomorrow opening up a strong green candle. If we lose this, if tomorrow opens up in the red and continues to fall down here into this direction, into below 60,000, this is worrying. Then the price target here of the next support level, 50,000, comes into play. And I'm ready for that level. I have been ready for a little while now. I've got cash on the sidelines, ready to buy the dip. Okay, so that's my plan of action. Now, if the bulls do decide to step up, great. Then they have the work to do of coming back to the top of the wedge. Okay, but if they lose it, that's where I need to be prepared. And so the question naturally arises, well, if I think it's going to fall to 50, why don't I just sell everything and jump back in again? The age-old question. I'm going to put this very, very clearly so hopefully you guys understand. I am not a predictor of the market, right? I'm not a prophesizer. I don't know where this market's going. I don't have a crystal ball. I am not going to time this market. If you're a lot smarter than I am, and if you're a lot smarter than some of the best investors in the world, then you go ahead and time the market, right? Statistically, it shows those people who sit out the best days of the year investing miss the majority of the gains. Days, right? So you can be holding something for a year, and it's a couple of days in that year where the majority of the gains are to be had. Same with crypto. If you miss a couple of those days/weeks, you're missing all the gains. So you will not see me try to time this market. Even if I think we're falling down to 50, I'm not playing hot potato with my crypto. No way. What if I think it's going to 50? I sell everything, right? Because I'm so clever. I sell everything. Oh, obviously this is going to 50. Boom, bunch of people get liquidated, and then they start moving to the upside. I'm not falling for it. I've been around for too long to fall for things like this. I'm staying locked. I'm staying loaded. If we fall lower, I buy the dip. If I run out of the cash, no more buying dip. I hodl. Simple. I'm not panic selling. I'm not timing and going, oh, I'm going to sell all my altcoins now, and then I'm going to jump back in. No. Fundamentally, I'm keeping it simple. I've got a list of which altcoins I like and Bitcoin, right? And then I'm going, okay, which one do I not have enough of? Which one do I fundamentally need to DCA? And I'm going to DCA. And like I've shared time and time again over the last week or so, we are now below the EMA ribbon. If you look at major altcoins, I mean, we cover here, let's take a look here at Solana, for example, down 9%, getting rejected powerfully here. Let's take a look at XRP, down below its EMA ribbon. Ethereum, let's take a look at Phantom, our favorite, right? Down below its EMA ribbon. What beautiful prices to be entering. And we called this move to the downside. So now we are entering a period of a lot of volatility, and we need to understand why this is happening. I've shared this extensively. You can see that 300 million, just look there where my head was, 300 million wrecked in 24 hours. If you're trading leverage right now, you are absolutely asking for trouble. This is a volatile market right now. Bitcoin doesn't know which direction it wants to head into. Let's be real. There's liquidity above and there's liquidity below. This market can go up, it can go down right now. It's in a consolidation pattern. You're just asking to be right, both shorts and longs, if you're playing volatility, if you're playing leverage in this current market condition. Now, the big elephant in the room is FOMC meeting. Go watch my video from yesterday if you want to understand what's going on. But US markets are getting slightly hit today, right? We're seeing the Nasdaq fall over 1%. We're seeing the S&P fall close to 1% as well as the Dow Jones. Investors are taking risk off the table, right? Just like I shared in my video, I'm expecting Powell to come out quite aggressive. I'm expecting him to kind of upset the markets on Wednesday in his press conference. So whilst we don't expect an interest rate cut or a hike, we expect a pause. It's the press conference where he may deliver damage. And so you're seeing a lot of investors take risk off the table leading into the FOMC meeting, and then naturally that risk will come back on towards the back end of this week / early next week. So this is one to watch for. In the meantime, you're seeing fear start to creep in a little bit. Not crazy. This market is not super fearful right now. Imagine if it falls to 50. Imagine if it falls to 45. You're going to see people really start to panic, right? Because right now, everybody's still in that mood where, I'm not going to fall for this. But at a certain price, people start panicking. And the market knows how to find your weakness, right? It's like your best friend who knows your favorite cookie when you're on a diet, right? They find your weakness. They kind of know where you're going to start feeling it. You're not feeling it at 50 yet? They'll go down to 48. You're not feeling it yet? 46? How about that? And then you panic. And then the price goes up. You're like, I knew crypto was going to do this and I still sat out the bull cycle. So right now it's a time for psychology. If you're nervous, sit it out. Right? If you're nervous, you're probably investing more than you're willing to lose. You're probably aping in. You're probably using leverage. You're taking risky trades. Just calm down. Right now is a very difficult market to trade. We're still doing it inside VIP and have still been profitable every single month. But I'm not going to say it's easy. It's not. It's taken a lot of my experience and I've hit quite a few stop losses as well. It's part of the game, right? But it's not an easy time. So if you're investing, get your DCAs in, keep it simple. Decide on your entry points where you're going to nibble, have your limit orders in place, and just DCA what you're comfortable with. But do not panic. Do not do things off emotion. The worst of all investors are those that do it off emotion. Have a plan, stick to it, execute. Do not just watch a random YouTube video. Oh, that guy said to sell everything. I'm pressing sell on everything now. No. Game plan, execute that game plan. Don't follow your emotions. The market's designed to get you emotional, guys. Don't fall for it. So there you have it, guys. Important time for Bitcoin. We could see some pain, guys. I will update you as I'm traveling. I'm traveling for a few days, but I will continue to update you on the important news. If you appreciate that, make sure you subscribe, guys. I need you guys to subscribe. I need you to like. I need you to support the sponsors in the description below. Bybit, BitGet, Mexi offering you some amazing bonuses. Check them out. Link in the description. They support the channel. So go get yourself set up on those exchanges, right? Use them, trade with them, play around with them. You'll love the UI. They're great exchanges. So definitely show them some love in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.